We have food here, guys. Ayan. Nominas. Here. Ayan. Tapos more over here. Kakatapos na ng meeting, guys. So that was the pre-prod meeting for tomorrow. We just run through everything na mangyayari bukas. So, manga, I want to show you something really cool inside. Nasa wall siya. Love it! Ayan, this is the space for YouTube Fan Fest, guys. Sobrang laki. And I want to show you something over there. Super, wait, let me zoom in. That's super cool. Oh my god. So we're basically done with today's agenda. So tapos yung meeting, I'm just waiting for the extra passes plus the hotel key card. So that's for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with my sister afterwards para mag-shop for an outfit. Tapos I have to film when I get home. Si Gab Valenciano, may mga dogs. Yung kanina yung Pomeranian yung dalawa. Kanya yun. Sobrang cute. I love it. I'm with the Callion twins again! Hi! You're so cute!
Oh, thank you.
Hi to them!
Thank you, sir.
I'm with Reese, guys. If you remember her, siya nagdala ng YouTube Fan Fest sa Philippines.
Yeah, bring YouTubers
Oh,
to
diba?
Manila.
Bongga! Anong channel mo, girl?
Reese, please subscribe.
As in, please talaga. As in,
Yeah, as in,
Ay,
please.
bongga
Please,
yan.
please.
Anong ginagawa mong videos?
I haven't settled for any genre pa, but I'm willing to try anything or exploring.
Bongga yan. Collab.
Collab.
Oh, kayo din collab, girl.
Ay, bro, collab tayo.
Leaving now. Getting Uber. Ayaw mag-load. Just finished shopping here at Robinsons, Manila. I'm with my sister. Siyempre, pag may shopping, kailangan ko yung sister ko para makita niya kung bagay ba sa akin or what. So, I'm so excited to show you guys my OOTD for tomorrow. Super excited. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, today is the Fan Fest day and we're heading for the pre-show. So, my slot is at mga 1:45 p.m. yata, but we have to be there early. This is my look. I'm gonna post a photo. And this is the top that or the dress that I bought kahapon. Romper. My sister. We're now here at the holding room or in the holding room. This is at the very, very back of World Trade Center. At medyo late yung iba. So what's gonna happen is that ma-move lahat ng schedule. So I think I'm gonna be going on first. I'm not sure. Yun. Anyway, ang cute na holding room. At meron pang mga aircon there. Hi! And we have our... Sorry. Oh my god! Yung backstage, guys.
For today, who's the current editor you want to meet?
We're now inside the venue, so we're just waiting for the go signal na change time actually this one. Hi! Diba? Kyle and Margo! Hi! Oh, thank you, thank you.
We have challenges.
Dayan! Hello! Ano oras ka ba dito? Bongga yan, bongga yan.
From Google yesterday, and they told me, I think actually you'd like to get your own channel. One good thing, if both of you, for example, both of you are into reaction videos, you can actually invite each other, feature each other on your very own channels. It actually works, right? I mean, we've seen Will do some, we've seen him do
Jasmine pa siya.
Jasmine, hi!
So, what number B?
Mawala ako mamaya pa. Ano? Mai.
We always want your help.
Oh, thank you! James, hello! Ang cute nyo, hi! Pauline, hi! And Maxine, hello!
Oh my God,
O baka may ano kayo, shout out.
shout. Sa friends po natin. Opo, sa Ultra po. Hello.
Oh my God, si Fiona! Talagang fangirl eh. Hi, Fiona! Hi, Shrek! Anyway. makeup done. Okay, so time has been pushed back again, and we are here at the Creator Lounge. So, this is where we can eat. So, yun. We got the go signal muna to eat muna. Tapos, I have to be back by 1 o'clock. So, yeah, may food tayo dito at Nescafe again. Bilangin natin kung ilang cups ng coffee ang maiinom ko. Anyway, picture muna kami ni Iza. Let's check out the food, guys. To do, we have some dessert. Sakto kasi hindi ako masyadong nakakain ng breakfast. Okay, we have Iberian style US beef belly. Oh, sarap. We have some kind of chicken pesto crepe. Wow. This one is grilled herb fish. Eggplant tofu. Vegetable lo mein. Mushroom lasagna and some rice. Ayan, kumain muna tayo, guys. Fun fact, si Wenji, pescatarian, just like my sister. So, yung mga food dito, syempre may fish, tofu, yung mga bongga. Love it.
Wait, may formation pa, preset. Yun. To the right. To the left. Yun. Ito na. Preset. Ito na.
Yeah, I love her outfit.
What? Literal backstage kami.
What's up?
You know, he went up on stage kanina while they were dancing.
Talaga?
Yeah, nag-running man.
Running Man. Picture mo kami. About to go on stage, pero matagal pa. Ewan ko what time mag-start. And sobrang yung sound na yun. So, yun. Malapit na.
She will definitely share a lot of tips to everybody on how she started. So please, for the YouTube Fan Fest, please welcome Saint Yoko! Hello! Hi! Baby girl, how are you? Okay, how are you? Alam mo, kanina ka pa dito so early, and so are these people that have... What's one thing that we should always remember?
Always be true to yourself. As in, be your true self. Huwag kayong magpapanggap. Kasi once you do videos and you pretend like you're somebody else, people are gonna know. So you have to be authentic to yourself para mo.
That today, and I think it's one of the many lessons that we always would have to keep in mind. We don't say here, lahat sila nagpipicture-picture na #YTFF, #Saint Yoko.
Yeah, Saint Yoko.
Diba? You also have something for us.
I do. I have a makeup game. Yung mga namit ko kanina, sabi
You ready?
okay, yeah. Ready na kayo? Game? Okay. Okay, game.
Pero it was really fun. Napuwisan lang ako. Thank you so much to everyone who came and participated. Medyo sorry kasi kinap nila yung questions. So, binigay ko na yung mga makeup. Anyway, we're back at the lounge with all the creators, just chilling. So we're just waiting for the hotel key card and then we're gonna go check in since the organizers gave each content creator like a room for the night. So that's really awesome. We're gonna have an after party later tonight. So that's really exciting. So buti nga na maaga-aga ako natapos para makapahinga pa. So I am going to be filming makeup of the day at the hotel para makita yung ano tong makeup ko. Guys in fair. It's Lime Crime Velveteen.